Okay, hello Toby. Hello. Now, this is exactly the interface of the exam app. Now, what I want you to see here, it's actually the admin interface. This is where me and you control. Now, if you watch through these interfaces, you will notice that I have several schools. These are several people I've been doing exams for, like Career Builders. There's a school called Wisegate Academy. There's Success Mandate, and there are several people we've been doing exams for. So the first thing I do here is I can add a new institution, which is here. Now I want you to know that. Remember, I told you we designed it in such a way that they can type their own questions. So this is the new button. So let's say the name of the school is called Toby Academy. So I can add up this school, Toby Academy. So once I add Toby Academy, that's all I need to do, and Toby Academy starts existing as an institution. So down, I can look for Toby Academy. There, from here, I can now go to Toby Academy's page. Now from here, okay, from here I can go to the page. Now this takes me to your institution directly. Now on your dashboard, I don't have any students, and you can see it's totally blank. So first of all, I want to show you the content developer place where they can add their questions. So let me go to content. Now I can register a course. Let's assume this course is actually maths, or let's say it's physics. Okay, so I can call it okay, the course is actually physics. Let's say that's the course. Then full name, I'll still put physics depending on how the school depicts it. So I can call it physics first term. Yeah, that's another option I can also use. Physics. I prefer repeating whatever I do here down, because I'm going to have physics first term, second term, and third term. Okay, I can also specify the class SS1 physics SS1 first term, so something like that. So Control A, C, tab, and Control V. Okay, so now I can submit this. So I can see it, physics first term, physics SS1 first term. So now I can decide to go to session. Now session is actually the year this content was created. So I can call it 2022. So I created this 2022. So now it now tells me this is physics. This is physics. Then I can start recording questions. So I can click on record questions, and I can add questions. So from here, this is where the school decides to add question. What is the unit of force? I'm just trying to show you how it works. So the unit of force, I can put kilogram, I can put Newton, I can put meter, and I can put seconds. And me and you know that the unit of force is Newton, and that's the correct answer. It's B. So now there's no need for you to put explanation because the children doesn't need that. So I click submit, and I say okay. So this is exactly how we create the questions. So I can also insert image too and special characters. Then for the maths too, we are going to teach you guys how to type the maths too, but that one is a special way of typing. So I can go back to the dashboard. Okay, so if I go to content developer, I can see this. So I can decide to I want to preview this, like edit. Okay, I don't know, I think we are yet to session. Okay, I can preview this. Okay, so you can see it. So here you can preview everything you have typed, and you're going to see everything. So back to the major place I want to take you to now. Students, remember these students, we have JS1, we have JS2, we have JS3, we have SS1, and we have SS2. So if you go to class, you can see view class. Now notice I don't have any class, so I can click here, new class. I can call this JS1A, and I register this class, and I can register a new class, JS1B. Okay, so let's say there's just JS1A and JS1B, and I can add, let's say, JS2A, and I can register. And let's say then there's JS2B. Okay, that is where I want to stop for this demo I am doing. Now I can go to class and view classes. Now you can see all the class. Now it's saying view students that are in this class. So what you need to know is that we've not yet added students. So I can decide to add students. Now if I want to add students, okay, I will use the function multi-add students. So it says, let's say I want to add 2 students to JS1A. So I can click on this button, I can click on add, I can click on add. So I will add 2 students to JS1A. Okay, so this is JS1A. Let's say Emeka, and this is Kristen. Okay, so he's in JS1A. Now I can add Peculiar. Now this is let's say Peculiar Asime. Then this she's in JS1A. Then let's say Toby Sifman. Don't mind me. So let's say you are in JS1B, and let's say Junior Charles is in JS1B. So once I click submit, automatically these students goes to their various class. So this is where we add all the students. Now it's not going to be like this. When we are adding the students, we are going to use an Excel sheet. I will show you the Excel sheet, multi-add students, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Excel sheet. Okay, sorry, upload students. Good. So this is where this is the Excel sheet we'll be using to add students. Let me open the Excel sheet so that you take a look at it. So this is the Excel sheet. So that is why I said this software can gradually graduate into a school management platform. So first name, last name, phone, email, blah blah blah. So here we can add all the class, we can add all the students on this sheet, and automatically with one button we can add every student into their classes. So I think that solves the class problem rather than typing it manually. Now if I want to create an exam for the students, now all I need to do is create events. You get, so I would go to let's say events 2019 first term exam. Oh, we're in 2020, don't mind me, I'm taking us backward. So let me clean that. This is 2020. Then I can describe the exam, but I've already done the full description even with the title, so I don't think it's really necessary. So now the time for the exam, let's assume it's supposed to be 30 minutes. So and the subject. Now I want you to know, remember we used to use this stuff for JAMB, so you can see all the content I have here. You can see all the content I have here. So if you recall, I created Physics SS1 first term 2022. So you notice Physics first term, so this is it. So that's the school exam. So we will design it such a way that your exams are going to be for you and your school, so you won't see other people's exam. So a particular school sees their own exam and they don't get bothered with it. So now if I click register them for this exam, but okay, let me register the child for this exam. I'm registering this exam. Now I can decide to go to a particular class, view class. Now let me see how many students are in JS1A, view students. Okay, now I want to register JS1A for exam. Now JS1A is supposed to do exam. Let's say 2020 first term exam. That's it. Then the subject, I want them to do this physics first term. Then this is the particular class, I want JS1A to do that exam. Then I register them. automatically JS1A is registered for this exam, and you can see the number. These are their reg numbers. But when you want to use it, we are going to design a personal login for the students. So then they will all have their personal logins. So the app is subject to changes. So now if the child wants to do the exam, I want you to know that the exam is going to happen offline. So but for now, I just want you to see how the exam works. So now the child just comes, type in his number, and then start the exam. Remember, it was the physics exam I created. What is the unit of force? The correct answer is Newton. So, and I want to submit, because remember, this is our next button, this is our previous. Now this color is showing that we've answered the question. This is our time. Maybe we might remove the calculator function because this was designed for JAMB. So all we need to do is we click submit, and okay, so automatically once the child submits, it says you have submitted. Now going back to the platform, if I take you back to the platform, I click on event, view events. So I can click on this event and view results. So automatically you can see I got 1/1, and in percentage I scored 100%. So this is exactly how it works. I want you to know that the exam happens offline, but the typing of the question happens online. The reason is because we don't want their laptop to crash, so that they will now say our laptop has crashed and we have lost all our exams. No, their exams are saved online. Then but because we know they cannot provide internet services, we decided to design the exam offline so that they can write the exams without internet, rather with the network they've been able to build. So Toby, with this, I think we should be able to get those schools on board. I just wanted to give you a demo, but this is just a demo to show you how the app works. But if you are now ready for it, then we will now go into and now start breaking it down step by step on how you and your team would be able to achieve this even without our help. So I will send this video to you right away. Thank you so much.